Hi, kumusta? Samahan niyo po akong mag-unbox ng isang smartphone. Ito po yung Tecno Pova Neo 3 na nabili natin sa online shop. So as of now po, halos out of stock na po ang ganitong smartphone. Tara, samahan niyo po akong buksan to. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe para sa mga ganitong unboxing video na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. So this is only unboxing video and to check if the smartphone is legit. Also, this phone intended as a gift for my father because he really needs a new phone para sa trabaho niya. That's why I cannot provide a full review about this phone for this 2025. Then some information detailed and specs about this phone already printed sa box. So some of the specs nito is yung 7,000 mAh, 6.82 screen or display, and 90 Hz refresh rate. Again, I purchased this through online and almost out of stock or out of stock na talaga. Kahit nga sa online store sa Lazada at Shopee ng Tecno, wala nang ganitong model. If kung sa online kayo bibili, if sa mall or sa mga physical store, I think meron naman kayong mabibili na ganitong smartphone pa. And I think yung nabayaran ko for this device is around 4,200 to 4,300, so mura ko lang talaga nakuha ito. After opening the box, nandun yung smartphone na nakabalot sa plastic. Then sa ilalim, nandun yung warranty card, user manual, documentation, and then yung mga stickers. Then after that, meron tayong free transparent jelly case. Also, we have charging brick, earphone, USB Type-C to USB Type-A cord, and lastly, SIM ejector pin. Then now, the smartphone itself, let's remove this plastic cover na may mga specs na nakalagay. And the color we have is the Hurricane Blue. Based on what I feel and observe, I think it's a plastic frame and a plastic back. At the bottom part, located the USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and audio jack port. At this side, nandito yung power button, also serve as a fingerprint scanner, volume up and down button, and then sa kabila yung SIM tray. At the back, we have 16 megapixel dual rear camera with dual flash with 7,000 mAh battery that compatible for 18 watts fast charger. And I have the 8GB RAM with 128 storage and powered by Helio G85 octa-core. Then this is HiOS based on Android 13. At the front, we have 6.82-inch HD Plus display with 90 Hz refresh rate, 8 megapixel front camera with flash, and with free installed screen protector. Now let's turn on if legit ba. And I would say na legit tong nabili natin na phone. So far wala namang problema and gumagana naman. Then it's time to give this to my father para may magamit na siya sa kanyang trabaho. And that's all. I hope you like this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxing video like this. Thank you so much and God bless us all, always.